Welcome to Universe Edge, where knowledge meets curiosity at the edge of discovery. Explore mysteries, facts, and ideas that expand your universe. Don't forget to hit subscribe and join the journey. Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered about the vastness of space? How big is the universe? Where do we fit in? What lies beyond our own little blue planet? Join us as we take a journey through the galaxy and explore everything there is to know about the Milky Way and our place within it. Get ready for an adventure that will make you feel truly insignificant in the best possible way. Our solar system is just one tiny part of the Milky Way galaxy. To put things into perspective, let's first take a closer look at our cosmic home. The Milky Way is a barred spiral galaxy that contains hundreds of billions of stars, including our Sun. The galaxy is named after the Latin word for milky circle, which was used by the Greek poet Homer more than 2,000 years ago. The name fits perfectly as the galaxy resembles a giant stream of milk from Earth's perspective. In reality, though, the Milky Way is a flat pancake-shaped structure composed of stars, gas, dust, and dark matter. At the center of this pancake lies a supermassive black hole called Sagittarius A, which weighs around 4 million times the mass of our Sun. This massive black hole acts like a giant vacuum cleaner, keeping everything in the galaxy tightly bound together. Stars orbit the galactic core and the entire galaxy rotates like a giant marathon. But we are not in the middle of the Milky Way, in fact. Scientists estimate that our Sun is located about 27,000 light-years away from the galactic center in one of the spiral arms called the Orion Arm. If you were to travel at the speed of light, it would take over 54,000 years to reach the center of the Milky Way. But don't worry, we don't have to go that far because we can see the rest of the galaxy from our vantage point. Using powerful telescopes, astronomers have been able to capture stunning images of the Milky Way and its neighboring galaxies. These images show a breathtaking view of the cosmos and help us better understand our place in the universe. Let's start by taking a spin around our very own solar system. Our solar system is made up of the Sun and all the objects that orbit around it, including 8 planets, 4 dwarf planets, numerous moons, and countless asteroids and comets. Let's take a ride along as we fly past each planet in our solar system. First up, we have Mercury, the smallest planet in the solar system. Then comes Venus, which has a thick atmosphere that traps heat and makes it the hottest planet in the solar system, despite being farther away from the Sun than Mercury. Next is our home planet, Earth, where we get to enjoy the beauty of a blue sky filled with fluffy white clouds and sparkling oceans. After Earth is Venus, which has a thick atmosphere that traps heat and makes it the hottest planet in the solar system, despite being farther away from the Sun than Mercury. Next is our home planet, Earth, where we get to enjoy the beauty of a blue sky filled with fluffy white clouds and sparkling oceans. After Earth comes Mars, the red planet, which is covered in a rusty-colored dust that gives it its unique appearance. As we continue our journey, we'll pass by Jupiter, the largest planet in the solar system, which is so massive that Earth simply vanishes into its colossal depths. Next is Saturn, known for its beautiful rings made of ice and rock. Then we'll encounter Neptune, the 8th and farthest known planet from the Sun, which is an ice giant with a deep blue color. Finally, we arrive at Pluto, which used to be considered the 9th planet but is now classified as a dwarf planet. Despite its small size, Pluto is still fascinating to astronomers, and it offers a unique glimpse into the outer reaches of our solar system. As we continue our tours of the solar system, we'll also have the opportunity to see some of the smaller members of this celestial family. We'll fly past the asteroid belt, which is a region of space between Mars and Jupiter filled with millions of rocky bodies that range in size from Vesta, the largest asteroid, to countless others that are only a few feet wide. We'll also take a closer look at some of the moons in our solar system, including our own moon, which has been a source of wonder and inspiration to humans for centuries. We'll also explore other moons such as Europa, which is a moon of Jupiter with a mysterious ocean hidden beneath its icy surface, and Titan, which is Saturn's largest moon and the only moon in the solar system with a thick atmosphere. Next up on our galactic journey is the asteroid belt. This region of space is located between Mars and Jupiter and is home to millions of rocky bodies ranging in size from Vesta, the largest asteroid, to countless others that are only a few feet wide. Most of the asteroids in the asteroid belt are relatively small, but they can pose a potential threat to Earth if their orbits intersect with ours. Asteroids have been known to cause mass extinctions on Earth in the past, such as the event that led to the extinction of the dinosaurs. Therefore, astronomers are constantly monitoring the asteroid belt to ensure that no dangerous asteroids are on a collision course with our planet. Now let's move on to the exciting stuff, the rockets. These marvels of engineering have allowed humans to explore the solar system and beyond, venturing into uncharted territory and discovering new worlds and celestial bodies. We'll take a closer look at some of the most iconic rockets in history, including the Apollo spacecraft that took humans to the moon for the first time, and the SpaceX Falcon Heavy, the most powerful rocket currently in operation. We'll also explore the cutting-edge technology that goes into designing and building these rockets, as well as the brave astronauts who have piloted them on their daring missions. Whether you're a space enthusiast or just curious about the incredible machines that have allowed us to explore the unknown, This is sure to be a fascinating journey, but our exploration doesn't end with the solar system. Beyond that lies the vast expanse of interstellar space filled with countless stars and galaxies waiting to be discovered. Using powerful telescopes, we've managed to capture images of distant galaxies and learn more about the composition and behavior of celestial objects beyond our own. One of the most famous images captured by the Hubble telescope is the Pillars of Creation found in the Eagle Nebula. This image shows a region of active star formation and has become a symbol of the power and beauty of the natural world. Another remarkable image captured by the James Webb Telescope is the cosmic cliffs located in the Carina Nebula. This image shows a region where young stars are forming and provides an unprecedented view of the star formation process. By studying these and other images, astronomers have been able to learn more about the evolution of galaxies and the processes that occur in distant corners of the universe. Exploring the universe doesn't just involve looking outward, it also involves looking inward. Our own Earth is a fascinating planet with a rich history and diverse ecosystems that support a wide variety of life. From the lush rainforests of the Amazon to the vast coral reefs of the ocean, Earth is home to some of the most beautiful and intricate natural wonders. But our planet is also facing challenges such as climate change and habitat loss that threaten to disrupt the delicate balance of its ecosystems. By learning more about the natural world and the threats it faces, we can work to protect and preserve the beauty of our planet for future generations. As we continue our journey, we'll have the chance to visit some of the most iconic landmarks in our solar system, such as the Great Red Spot of Jupiter, a massive storm that has been raging on the planet for centuries, and the rings of Saturn, a breathtaking sight that has captured the imagination of scientists and stargazers alike. We'll also explore some of the most distant reaches of the solar system, such as the Kuiper Belt, a region of space beyond Neptune that is home to a variety of icy bodies and small planets like Pluto. And all the while, we'll have the opportunity to learn about the latest discoveries and research being conducted by astronomers and planetary scientists, giving us a deeper understanding of our place in the universe. The next stop on our journey is the International Space Station, a marvel of modern technology and international cooperation. This orbiting laboratory has been continuously occupied for over 2 decades and has served as a platform for groundbreaking research in microgravity and space medicine. We'll take a virtual tour of the ISS, exploring its various modules and the experiments being conducted there. We'll also learn about the challenges and rewards of living and working in space and the impact that the ISS has had on our understanding of the universe. But our journey doesn't end there. We'll also have the opportunity to explore some of the most iconic images of the universe, captured by powerful telescopes like the Hubble and James Webb. From the colorful pillars of creation in the Eagle Nebula to the intricate details of the Crab Nebula, these images show the incredible beauty and complexity of the cosmos. We'll also learn about the latest discoveries and research being conducted by astronomers, giving us a deeper understanding of our place in the universe. As we continue our journey, we'll have the chance to explore some of the most distant reaches of the universe, such as the Andromeda Galaxy, our closest major galactic neighbor. We'll use powerful telescopes to observe Andromeda and learn more about its structure and evolution, as well as the possibility of life on planets orbiting distant stars. Along the way, we'll have the opportunity to learn about the latest discoveries and research being conducted by astronomers, giving us a deeper understanding of our place in the universe. And finally, we'll have the chance to explore some of the most controversial topics in astronomy, such as the search for extraterrestrial life and the mysteries of dark matter and dark energy. We'll examine the evidence for and against the existence of aliens and the implications that such a discovery would have for humanity. We'll also delve into the nature of dark matter and dark energy and the role they play in the evolution of the universe. Throughout our journey, we'll have the opportunity to learn from leading experts in the field of astronomy and ask questions along the way. We'll also have the chance to participate in interactive simulations and experiences that bring the vastness and complexity of the universe to life. From the smallest particles to the largest galaxies, we'll explore the full scope of the cosmos and our place within it. So join us on this incredible journey and get ready to discover the secrets of the universe. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this journey through the galaxy, be sure to subscribe for more cosmic adventures. And remember, our journey through the galaxy has just begun.